Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are so happy to have you here.
In today's video, we are going to be taking down our Christmas decorations and giving our house a fresh new year clean.
We hope you enjoy this video and please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.
But it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Honestly, I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to your bedroom? From all my slip-ups and mistakes, and I'm just pointless without you. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Never wanted to end things like we did. I'm sorry for all those promises I made you that I couldn't keep. But it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Honestly, I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to your bedroom?
I wanna get to your clothes, gotta get it right now. I wanna push all the limits with you right now. So watch your feelings, the city's screaming, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now. People talk and tell what you wanna hear now, but they all disappear, they will let you down. So we better stick together, let's come whatever. We're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now. We only need the two of us together. I need only you in this crazy world. 'Cause we got love, love. I need only you here with me. You wanna get close to me, why don't you do it right now? You know we met for a reason, but you're trying to deny that we should be together. It's heavy weather, we're heading for tonight. You better take what you can, 'cause the time is right now. We only need the two of us.
As you can see, Junior loved throwing his toys at the Christmas tree, and they all ended up underneath it.
Together, I need only you in this crazy world. Gotta stick together, let's come.
We weren't able to get a white Christmas tree this year, so we sprayed ours with fake snow. And while we were putting it away, it fell on our floors.
We got a Dyson for Christmas and we were so excited to be able to use it in this video. You will be seeing a lot of our Dyson in our future videos.
I need only you in this crazy world. 'Cause we got love, love. I need only you here with me. I wanna get to your close, gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. I bet you think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you, what things you like and what you don't. It's not that long since I met you for the first time. You know we should work it out. You know we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? I know.
If you made it this far into the video, thank you for sticking with us. Comment down below your favorite emoji.
How you move, it kinda makes me go crazy. But we should take it slow, work things out so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't wanna get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, you should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, will I love you? Tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down? Yeah. La 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 la.
The last thing that we did in this video was wash the dishes. We always have a ton of dishes to do, so it usually takes me a long time to do them.
Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? Before I'm too
When I was younger, my mom always told me that when you wash the dishes, first you do the cups, then you do the bowls and the plates, then you'll do the pans, and last you'll do the utensils. Do you guys have a certain way that you do your dishes?
La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la la la. Hey, I've got you on my mind. Yeah, you're all that I think about. You know you got me going wild, and what I want is you. Could you come a little closer?
should wear a name tag. Ni vicious presente. Girl, you should wear a name tag.
Thank you guys so much for continuing to support us. Let us know what other types of videos you guys would like to watch. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. See you guys in our next video, and Happy New Year.
Know your name, but you're still in my head. Underneath rays of gold, your body oh so close. No, I can't forget, no. Forget what? When I saw you on the dance floor, oh, I saw you who saw me first. I guess it's history now, and I shouldn't care, but it still hurts. I didn't realize the danger.